Good morning, everybody. I hope everyone is doing well after doing our very first morning meeting today. And I have your very first assignment for you today. And it's going to be something you're going to do on SeeSaw. What I would like you to do today is record a quick good morning hello greeting for your kindergarten friends. And this is how you're going to do it. I'm going to have you open up your SeeSaw app. And when you go into your journal, I want you to find this green plus button and I want you to push it. When you get there, I want you to choose this option with the pencil next to it. It says Post Student Work. Choose that. And then you have some different options, but I want you today to choose the video option. So choose this video camera, click on it, and you're going to see a video like this. Now, I want you to record the following message. When you record, all you're going to do is you're going to wave into the camera and you're going to say, "Good morning, friends." And that's it. Now, you'll notice that when I press the record button, you can press this, or you can press this. There's going to be a countdown. It's going to go 3, 2, 1, and then that means you can start talking. If you start talking while it's doing the 3, 2, 1, it's not going to record you and it's going to cut it off. So let's watch. I'm going to record my message. Now I'm going to bring something special in. This is my spring gnome. His name is Ronnie, and he's going to join me in my greeting. If you have a pet or a little brother or sister that you want to help greet, that's fine, or a stuffy, and you're going to wave and greet. Okay, so remember, I'm waiting for the 3, 2, 1. And I'm going to look at my camera. So it looks like I'm making eye contact. If I'm looking at the screen, right now I'm looking at my screen, but it doesn't look like I'm looking at you. But if I look at my camera, it looks like I'm looking at you. So try to look at the camera while you're saying it. Okay, here we go. So it says 3, 2, 1. Good morning, friends. And then I press that pause button at the bottom and it's done. When I'm done, I'm going to go up to the corner here and press this green check mark button. Okay? Watch me do that. When I press the green check mark button, it's going to give me a preview of my video. I can watch this first before I post it. Watch. Good morning, friends. Okay? So, if I'm done, if I like it, I'm going to press this green button here and send it off, and that will go right to my journal. You don't have to choose a student. I do because mine looks different. Okay? And then it's going to say, waiting for teacher approval. I will see it and I'll approve it, and I'm going to put something together for you all once you all finish that assignment and make a little surprise for you. Okay, so that's your assignment for today. Please get that taken care of and put it on SeeSaw. See you soon.